Ever wonder why your cat sleeps like it has no tomorrow? But first, please subscribe or leave comment if you have a sleepy cat, and like this video. Well, did you know? Cats can sleep up to 16 hours a day. What? And they don't just sleep.
Wow! This cat loves scrubbing her tummy.
They sleep everywhere. Top of the gate.
She is so sleepy, right? How did she become so comfortable?
Even on the hammock.
Oops, sorry. I'm so full.
This one also.
I agree.
Okay, next. On the couch.
I think she had a fun last night.
How about this one?
Oh my god. Are they together?
On your laptop.
Promise, I'm working. I'm not sleeping.
On your freshly folded laundry.
So sleepy. Oops, I got caught. Well, these two are not sleeping, but for sure later. They will.
But here's the funny part. Cats aren't being lazy. It's actually their superpower.
Like, bro, what were you dreaming? A full-time job. Cats don't sleep a lot. They professionally hibernate every day.
And when they wake up, they act like they've had the hardest day of their lives.
My cat sleeps like he's posing for a failed yoga poster.
Cat logic.
If the position is uncomfortable for humans. It's perfect for a nap.
Did you fight with someone in your dream? Wake up!
Tell me why my cat looks broken but somehow extremely relaxed.
Who's your parents? Are they ready for the bills?
These mother and daughter cats obviously have similarities.
Everyone's sleeping like a pretzel that gave up on life. One here. Another one here. And here. And here. Here.
When you think your cat sleeps too much, and you're starting to think he's practicing to become a pillow. While we humans struggle to get 8 hours, a cat wakes up from a 16 hours nap-like.
So next time you see your cat knocked out like a tiny furry potato, remember, they are not lazy. They're just professionally relaxed.
This is so cute. This one also. Lovely cat.
That's enough. Goodbye for now. Like, share, subscribe.